What's up, y'all? We are here for another episode of the Detours. This is going to be a part of our Detours travel series. However, we are here at Meow Wolf Houston.
The grand opening.
The grand opening. This is day one. Happy Halloween. You're probably not going to see this on Halloween, but anyways.
But yeah, it's Halloween. This is how we decided to spend Halloween. Bringing the grand opening of Meow Wolf Houston to you guys.
I know.
It is literally close to downtown. You can actually see downtown from where we're at.
So if you're not familiar with Meow Wolf, it started in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and then it grew to the famous one that everybody sees, which is the Omega Mart in Las Vegas. They opened one in Denver, and they've opened one in Dallas, and this is the newest one. We're gonna go check it out. I'm excited.
So, this bonus episode for you guys, part of the Detours travel. Let's go.
Let's do it. Alright, so we're here inside of Meow Wolf Houston, and as you can see, this place is a true trip. I mean, you start off, you go through this little show, and then you kind of just explore, but you start off in a radio station, and my mind is blown. There's so many different passages and ways that we could go. And Marvin is having fun with this, whatever that thing is. I don't know what anything is. That is the coolest thing about this whole entire experience.
It's cool.
It's just crazy. But yeah, let's show you guys a little bit of what's going on. Nice to meet you. What is your name? Horseshoe? That's a horseshoe, right? I think it's a horseshoe. Child, I don't know. You lost me. Which way do I go? Alright, we're gonna explore. That was cool. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and go into this break room. And this looks just like a break room, right? This is crazy. A whole break room. But look, you can go through the refrigerator. Wow. What in tarnation? This is so cool. Oh, back in here. Wow. This is nuts. Let's see if we can find Marvin. He's in here somewhere. Like, there's just so much that you can do. Oh, there he is. Hey, we found you.
I know, right? Hard to in this place. What?
Nothing. I was giving them a slight tour of everything.
It's cool.
It is literally so
It's a
cool.
trip.
It is such a trip. at this bar. I don't know the name of it. What is the name of it?
I don't know, but it's a bar in the middle of the maze, in the middle of... I'm lost. I'll be honest with you, I'm lost. I don't even know what the hell.
I'm like, you're supposed to just figure
I
it
don't
out.
know where I am. That's weird.
That's the
cool.
point.
But it's weird.
But we were standing in line to get empanadas, and then I pulled this curtain up, and I'm like, wait, there's a
full bar
and restaurant in here.
Yeah.
And that's the cool thing. You just gotta kind of like explore and figure it out.
Yeah.
And you just find stuff. It's really cool. But anyways, we sat down to eat. What did we get?
We got a little piggy platter and 2 drinks as well.
And 2 drinks.
Yeah.
I got Elok's Tears.
Uh-huh.
What did
and
you
I
get?
got a PB&J, which I'm a little disappointed because there's a lot of room in this cup to be filled.
Well, was it good?
And I'll be honest with you, the food, it's not worth $30.
No.
Yeah, it's not worth $30. And the drinks are not worth $30. So,
But
yeah.
anyways, back to more exploring. We're gonna chill. We're gonna eat. What are your thoughts on the place so far?
I didn't know. I feel lost, but I haven't gotten my bearings yet. So it's interesting.
Are you having fun?
I am having fun.
Okay.
No, yeah. It's just interesting. Like, you open up a closet door and it leads to another room, and the rooms are trippy themselves. So it's cool though. It's cool. So we're gonna chow down and then we're gonna continue. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. All right, guys, and we're back. And last time we talked to you, we went to Cowboy Heaven, I believe was the bar and restaurant. Well, we wanted to bring you the full experience. So right outside Cowboy Heaven, they have this empanada place. And they also have like these slushies as well.
Yeah.
The empanadas are from the Empanada Company here in Houston.
Oh, they
and, Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and the slushies are made here. If you want an alcoholic beverage, it's like a $3 upcharge to $7. So it's right there. But bang for buck wise, we believe just get an empanada and a drink and you're going to be okay. Because the food was a little underwhelming for what we paid. But
It was
other
really
than that,
good, though. I will say that. I'll be honest. It looks weird when they sit it down on the table. Then when you actually start eating it, it's actually really good.
it's not bad. Yeah.
Even what was it, the fig?
It was the little pig something or other
No, like
platter. It was this habanero fig jam that they
Yeah.
made. That was really, really good. So
get sausages,
as you
you
can
get
tell,
chips.
where we're seated, it just keeps changing.
Yeah.
That's the whole motto behind this thing. You're at a radio station and you go through so many doors and you end up in so many different settings. It's a trip. We haven't fully finished exploring it. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. All right? Stay tuned. More to come.
Okay, so now we're in an arcade. We went through that door, but we came back through here, and now we're trying to play this game.
Hold on, this one's weird. Let me try this one.
Whoa.
What am I doing?
I don't know. Is that a fireball?
I don't know. It's a ball. Of some sort.
Whatever the music is in here is bumping. This is cool. Wow. Okay. This is crazy.
Now you're back to the radio station. And then it stops. And it stops. But if I go like this, I move it.
doing the moves of them. Hey. Got DJ Marvy Marv on the ones and twos. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, remember she said, do something with the ATM. Okay. Whoa.
Try again. 1, 1, 2, 2.
Oh! I think you need to put a certain number in to crack some kind of code. I don't know. 6, 5.
You could be here forever.
For hours.
Try again. Okay, so I got the first and the last number right.
Okay.
Try again. I got that number right.
Okay, so we just need one more number, right?
3, 2. No. So I tried 3, I tried 9, I tried 5, 0. No. 7882. Access denied. This is weird.
Oh, you broke it. Oh. Wait, what does it say?
Fast cash. Give me cash. Give me dollars. Press digits to self-reflect this. This is weird.
What did I tell you? You just gotta hit stuff. What? See if we do it at the same time, what happens? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a trap.
Okay, where are we going now?
What the hell?
Oh, it's that thing, but we saw it from up there.
Yeah. This is a trip.
Okay, so now we're back in this trippy room. Y'all, look at this, is crazy. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh. Yeah, they're instruments. Y'all, I'm a whole musician. Look at this. Now how you gonna come up here and rain on my parade?
I guarantee you this is where we lose our viewers right now because we got no rhythm.
What?
And look, it's a big old lipstick.
Oh, it is a big lipstick. What is this? This is crazy.
Come this way.
Okay, I guess we're going upstairs. Alright. Oh, look, a couch. A lopsided couch.
A what?
A lopsided couch.
Yeah.
I think she's an actor. I don't know. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Okay, so now we're back in this world.
Now we go here.
Oh, where are we going next?
Oh, what is this?
Whoa. Oh my god. I'm so glad we're getting this on camera because no one would ever believe us.
I know.
This is crazy.
Wow.
Alright, where are we going
Now we're
next?
back at the radio station.
And now we're back in the radio station. That's crazy. How do you make this up? Whoa. What the? Ooh. What on earth did I just witness? What was that? Oh. Do y'all work for the radio station? Oh.
We were dancing outside. They're perfectly friendly.
Are you guys
Basically
happy?
learned how to do it from town hall. So you just wait for 45 minutes.
This is crazy. Okay, look, there's a door.
Oh, this is too much. Yeah, too much.
This is crazy.
Where are we going?
Okay, we're back in this radio station.
And then there's this. We've been here before.
Yeah. What are you eating? The flowers. Why?
What's at the desk? I think. Sit down at the desk.
Is that a real trash can or is that
Whoa.
Your face is killing me. You're like such a dog.
This is crazy. Ah!
Did you scare yourself?
That scared me. I didn't. Oh my god. Yeah, you see that scared me. I don't walk right up on it too. And now, okay, so we just came from out there, and now we're in here, a whole room. And the crazy thing is oh wait, I think this is like the backbones of the radio station. This is crazy, you guys. This is the trippiest, coolest thing.
That'd be a room that I would pay like $100.
This is, whoa. What did you do? Whoa.
I don't know.
Do that again.
Hold on. I'm trying. I think it has to charge up. And then. This is a trip.
Right? It's like if you didn't have video, no one would ever believe you. If you try to tell them, like, literally.
I didn't do anything. Yeah, it's a trip. Wow.
All right, where are we going now?
A pantry.
A pantry.
Like beer ones. This one's just cool.
Oh, there's elevators
City beer.
that take you other places.
Oh, you can get in the elevators too?
In the elevator. You want to go in the elevator?
I guess so. I'm scared. Where's it gonna take us? All right. Y'all, we're literally in a pantry. Let's see what they have up here. Okay. Old. Light beer. Vitamin. Oh, vitamin. Is that supposed to be Tony's? I'm cracking up. This is hilarious.
Leg hair beer.
Where does it say that?
Right here. Yeah.
Oh, look.
What?
It's supposed to be Blue Moon.
What does it say?
I don't know.
Right. Okay, are we taking the elevator or no?
I thought, yeah.
I called it, but I didn't know.
Well, it's probably got to let the people off at the top. Where does that go?
Whoa.
What? Okay, there's the elevator. Which one? You could call. Oh, I didn't mean to say that. Whoa. Oh, that's
Where you
nice.
going?
I don't
Are we
know.
going up?
I don't know.
All right.
We're trapped. Okay,
go up.
I guess we're going up. How many floors are there? Oh,
This is a real elevator, right?
I don't know what's real and what's fake. We even had to try to figure out if the bathroom was real. Isn't this crazy?
Whoa.
Oh my god. So there's this side or this? Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the... Oh, okay, so we're on the second floor. This is so trippy. Okay, so we're back in that room. I feel like if we go back down...
Wait, there's more stuff over here, I think.
There is?
It's interesting, yeah. So
That's the elevator.
There's more stuff over here.
Okay. What the? What is this?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Woo! I don't know why I just got so scared. This is crazy, you guys. Okay, so what is this? Oh, it's the top of the town. Whoa. Is that a door? Oh no. This is so cool.
Check this out over here.
Wow.
Oh. Okay, I can go here, I can go here.
There's two staircases.
Oh, this is a staircase.
To where?
I don't know.
Isn't this crazy?
I'm scared. This is a trip.
Okay, so there's that one. So you can either take the staircase there or there. There's even more stuff. gonna take away. So it looks like
I
we're.
don't know.
Oh!
You're about to fall. You're gonna eat it. Hi. How are you?
Hi.
So here we're back at the restaurant. Let's see where this takes us.
Okay, this is going back into the town.
Yeah. Let's go this way.
Alright, let's see where we're gonna go now. You guys have got to come and try this. Like, this is so cool.
Now we're back to the. Now over here we're back to the forest with the instruments.
Okay, let's go back to the radio station. Maybe we'll find a different way to go. Having fun there?
It's interesting. Weird, but interesting.
Alright guys, so that is a little bit of Meow Wolf Houston. We didn't film everything because we want some stuff to be a surprise, because there's so many different ways that you can go, and we probably didn't even do it all.
Mm-hmm.
There's probably something that we even missed, but it is the coolest experience.
Yeah, and you can download an app too, right?
You can download the app.
Yeah.
I downloaded the app. I didn't know how to use it, so good luck.
And I couldn't figure it out either. So.
But that's the thing. It's kind of one of those places where you just kind of have to let go and just let your imagination roam wild. I would say that this is a must-do thing if you come to Houston.
Yeah.
This is really cool, and each Meow Wolf is completely different.
Mm-hmm.
What did you think? This is your first
I thought it was a very trippy experience. I didn't know what to expect. At the beginning, it's a little overwhelming because I'm like, wait, hold on. There's no cohesion. There's no like solid path that you need to follow. I suggest researching or like doing the storyline, that way you understand it a little bit more. We didn't.
I wouldn't research it at all, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I would just go with it, because that's the fun part. You kind
was
of just
fun.
get to explore, and you
Definitely
just don't know
must
what
do.
you're gonna run into.
Yeah, a definite must do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyways, thank y'all for tuning in to our little odd but cool sideshow
Premiere
thing.
episode of
Yep.
Meow Wolf
Yep.
Houston, part of our Detours Travel.
Yes.
And remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also check out our other content. If you're new to the channel, we have a full portfolio of videos as well.
Yes.
We're just finishing up our Detours Disturbia tour as well, and there's more to come next year as well. We also launched our Patreon. More details on the description. Join us on our adventure. There's a lot of perks to have with the Patreon. All right? So that's us signing off from our hometown here in Houston. Meow Wolf Houston, the premiere episode. All right? Take care.